welcome back to the channel. This is the first video in a while that I've recorded, but I've got a lot to record. Between Amber and I, we have a ton of new diamond paintings. This one here is kind of the small one of the bunch. I've been wanting to try this one out for a while. It's a company that's been around. It's kind of newish. It's called Crystal Arts Canvas is the name of the company, and their thing is, instead of regular drills, it's all rhinestones. So you can find them on Facebook, as in a Facebook group, and they have a web page as well. I will link that down below in the description, so you can go check them out yourself. I absolutely, so far, am liking how quickly it came. It shipped right after I bought it. It ships from the U.S., so it comes to you very quickly, and I got it in probably 4 days after I ordered it. So very quickly came from the East Coast in Maryland, which is quite coincidentally, if Amy, the person who runs Crystal Arts Canvas, if she's watching, this shipped maybe 20 minutes away from where I used to live when I lived in Maryland. So it was like really cool. It was like a gift from home almost. So it seems really cool. What I like about it is it came just like this, in this box, no wrapping, no nothing. However, this box is pristine. After shipping all the way across the country, this box is pristine. And she put that nice fragile sticker on there. I'm impressed already with how well it held up through shipping. So let's take a look at it, open it up, and we'll take a look and see what this is like. And again, this is from Crystal Arts Canvas, so yeah, instead of using regular drills, it's all rhinestones. And it is full drill, and it is a 40 by 80 centimeter. It's well taped. She did a good job with the tape. And yeah, okay, yeah, don't cut my fingers off. Sharp knife, soft finger. They don't match very well. There we go. All right. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Oh, and a canvas is in there somewhere. Yes, there is a canvas. And that's it. Box is empty. See, nothing in the box. Nothing up my sleeve. Oh, lovely assistant removed the box. All right, let's put the knife down. We don't need it anymore. Standard toolkit. Cheap tweezers, one placer, pink pen, pad of wax.
The tray is different than
No, yeah, it is a different tray. It's a flat, square tray, no spout, little raised edges, and it says on it 2.8 millimeter, which is coincidentally the width of a round diamond. So that must mean that the grooves are 2.8 millimeters, which is big enough for round diamonds.
not big enough for squares.
Not big enough. Well, it is too big for squares.
Oh, too big.
Squares are
smaller?
Yeah, squares are 2.5 millimeters.
Is that
Oh, and we got a loose rhinestone. Ooh, a pretty pink loose rhinestone too. Very pretty. Nice. It's actually pinkish purple. The light is not picking this up right on this camera. It's a little bit dark. I may have to go in and adjust my exposure a little bit when I do post editing here. So, got drills. I hope that's not... Uh-oh, it looks like we got a leaky bag because that's the same color. It just fell out.
I'll look.
Oh, yeah, when we get it out, we'll... First of all, let's take a look at this canvas. It is poured glue. And I'm hitting...
Oh, wow.
It is poured glue. It is a 40 by 80.
Bigger than I thought.
What's 40 by 80?
Well, I wasn't expecting it to be.
You roll it around the wrong way here to get it to set down. Very clear drill field. And the image is, ooh man, that bright sun is, can't even see it. The image is a kaleidoscope, rainbow kaleidoscope mandala, which I like. It really spoke to me. It's got 31 colors. Of course, no ABs, but everything's an AB with this kit, pretty much. Okay.
Which one's the color that was?
It's the pinkish one. It's probably up on this end.
There's another one. Hold on.
She's digging through them all.
Sorry. Hold on. Okay.
So yep, it's 40 by 80. It is 31 colors. They are all rhinestones.
It's not broke open.
We will let you see the drill field up close if the camera will pick it up. It's kind of focusing. It's trying. As you can see, it is a very clear drill field.
It was just what was in the top of the zipper after
Okay,
it.
awesome. Oh, and there's my computer. I just got Windows 10. I just got a brand new computer I just built, and I've got brand new installation of Windows 10 on it. Of course, the thing is hooked to my phone and my Facebook and everything else, and I get all kinds of notifications on my computer all the time. So you're going to have to excuse the blah-da-doom, because that's what it's going to do. And I haven't figured out yet how to disable notifications during specific periods of time on Windows 10 yet. So let's take a look. Let's peel back our plastic here. Oh, plastic is stuck very well to the canvas. That must mean it is nice and sticky. Yes. Oh my god, it's very sticky. Yep. Very, very sticky canvas. I mean, I can... Yeah. Super sticky.
See, it was like that.
Oh, okay. Alright. So we didn't have any leaking drills. It just had some extra drills. Oh, I need my ruler.
What?
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
And of course my camera is going all crazy and weird and out of focus with me doing this. This one is going to be fun to work on. So let's take a look at the drills while we're here. We're going to put them in order and make sure they're all there. There's drill number 1. It is a lovely tealish green colored rhinestones. What are you doing?
There.
Oh, okay. Lovely tealish green colored rhinestone. Now it's all out of focus.
Sorry.
There we go. There it goes. Lovely teal green colored rhinestones. Number 2 is this beautiful purple color. Number 3 is yellow, golden yellow. 4 is gray or black rhinestones. They're pretty. Camera just is not doing it justice, honestly. 5 is another blackish color. 6 is a very, very light purple. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this light. 7 is another dark gray. It's going to look black on camera. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, nothing I can really do about that. 8 is brown. There you can kind of catch it. There it is. I'm not a fan of this camera. I paid way too much for it. And it doesn't record right. It doesn't like to focus properly. Number 9 is a lighter brown. Maybe even dark yellow. And number 10 is this lovely purple. Oh, see up there. There's 10. 11 is another teal blue. But it's not quite the same. Well, it does look like the same color teal as that one. It's close to it. If there is a slight difference, it's hard to see with the naked eye. Let's put it that way. But yeah.
You'll know when it's on the canvas, though.
And 12 is another dark gold type color. 13 is red. Nice, pretty red. 14, ooh, nice green. I like that green. Very sparkly green. And 15 is another golden yellow color. It's a little bit darker, more orangish than the other yellow. 16 is a brownish, burnt sienna.
How many colors did you say?
There's 31.
They're all here.
They're all there. She says they're all there, folks. You heard it here first. 17 is a pale blue. 18 is a very light purple. Oh, we got a blue straggler in there. Can't know if you can see it in the camera, but yep, there's a light blue straggler in there. There he is, see him? Yeah. I don't think the camera's going to pick him up very well, but yeah. 19 is, ooh, that's the color that was leaking. It's kind of a purplish red maroon color. Very brilliant, very deep color. And number 20 is another green, kind of a pale green. 21 is a light gold. And 22 is another red, deeper red than the other, but more pale. 23 is kind of a magenta. Very pretty magenta. 24 is a lighter magenta, about pinkish. You can really see that one in the camera. It's about the same color as my ruler there. 25 is a very faded brown, maybe beige colored rhinestone.
We've got some stragglers.
Oh, got some stragglers. Uh-oh.
I'll color match them.
26 is another magenta, a little bit darker than the 24 magenta, but it's still really pretty. 27 is a blue, very nice blue. 28 is another tealish, more green than blue. 29 is a faded dark purple color. My neighbors are being loud, I can hear them. Sounds like they're arguing.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Number 30 is another teal color that's more blue than green. Very pretty color. I love that one. And number 31 finally is a faded purplish purple. It's really hard to see in this light. I don't know. I don't know if it's just I've got too much light or my camera settings aren't right or what. No,
Nope.
it's not really making a difference.
Well,
I wonder if there's a way to mount the ring light onto here somehow that I could do it right there like that. That would probably be the best way to do it. Or have lovely assistant hold the ring light behind the camera for me. Does it really make a difference? No. Well, kinda. Yeah. Okay. 31 is kind of a faded purple color, and it's really hard to see on camera. So all 31 colors are there. Canvas is very sticky. Of course, it is poured glue, so it's not gonna mess up the glue with re-rolling it if I have to, or whatever.
we're gonna have to unless you're starting it soon.
No, I'm not going to start this. I think the next one I start is going to be the next video I do, which you all really will want to see that video because it is freaking awesome. I can't wait to get that one out of the box and look at it. They're not in order anymore.
I know. I rolled my eyes.
I know.
You heard it.
I could hear her rolling her eyes.
My
yes.
mom's like, calm down, you're fine.
I'll put them back in order.
I
So
will.
there it is, folks.
Later.
Every time, whoop, hello, there's my hand. Hi, okay, now my hand's in focus. And there it goes. There it is, Crystal Art Canvas. Their website is crystalcanvas.us. They are a 100% full rhinestone canvases, full drill, very clear drill field, very sticky, very good quality canvas. I mean, it's not Diamond Art Club, it's not soft on the back, it's your typical canvas you get from, you know, AliExpress type feeling. But it's still a very good canvas. I can't wait to work on this one. And here, let me pull this back. And there is a little crease right there on the corner, but I could probably fix that. And that is creased really good right there on that corner. You can see it. Nothing a little ironing won't help.
Can you iron cord glue?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember what happened to my mom. Decided she thought she needed to have to iron a canvas, and it was a partial, and she ironed over it. It was her first one in her defense, but she ironed over it, and it shriveled up the canvas around it.
It's still in it, and the drill's still placed.
Yep, the drills are still placed. Still.
Oh, we got more drills that fell out over here.
No, I put them there.
Oh, because I was squeegeeing over them and it was catching under the canvas. Okay. And there we go. Nice and pretty. So there you go, folks. Go check them out.
You know what?
What?
This tray is a two-sided tray.
Oh, wow. 2.8 millimeters on one side for round and 2.5 on the other side for square. That's a nice concept. If only they had a spout. But that is awesome.
The corner can be used as a spout.
I can probably cut a spout into it.
Yeah, we probably could. So there you have it, folks. Crystal Art Canvas. They're sold and shipped from the U.S., so you get them a lot more quickly. And if you really like rhinestones, which I've never done a full rhinestone before, so this is going to be a first. The pictures I've seen on their Facebook page of people that have completed them are stunning works of art. So we will get to work on this one. You'll be seeing it featured in upcoming videos at some point. We've got a lot to do, so maybe we'll get back on track with recording again more often here.
Yeah. We've been in a funk, sorry.
Yeah.
A lot going on.
So yeah, go check them out. I'll link their website and their Facebook down below, and we will get rolling on this as soon as we can fit it into the schedule of things to roll on. So until next time, rock on, y'all.